Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Ashwin Phillips. I'm a consultant medical oncologist at Christian Medical College, Ludhiana. As we are celebrating World Cancer Day on February 4th, I wanted to share a few facts and myths about cancer. As all of you know, the incidence of cancer is increasing worldwide, especially in a country like India. The incidence has been increasing much more larger. Cancer is a disease that has a lot of financial, emotional burden that brings along with it. However, people need to understand that cancer is a disease that can be prevented, treated, and even cured, especially if it's an early stage cancer. There are a few risk factors which you associate with the development of cancer. They are modified into two parts. You have either modifiable risk factors or non-modifiable risk factors. When you say by modifiable risk factors, there are those risk factors which you can control by yourself, like your diet, exercise, smoking, alcohol consumption. The non-modifiable risk factors that lead to cancer is your age. Your advancing age makes you more prone to develop some cancers. Your family history is something that you cannot modify. If you had a family history of multiple cancers in your family, then you have a high risk of developing a cancer. Your environmental pollution is something that is not under your control. So there are some modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors. There are a lot of myths regarding the treatment of cancer and diagnosis. A lot of people fear cancer, but I want to reassure that cancer is nothing to be afraid of. Cancer is a disease that, like any other disease, can be treated. The treatment of cancer is usually multimodality, and I want to reassure people that it is not necessarily always expensive and toxic. Today we are moving into an era of targeted therapy because we understand this cancer's biology much more better. So today we are able to have medicines which target the specific cancer cells and avoid the toxicity of the chemotherapy. I want to reassure everybody that it is important for you to understand the signs and symptoms of early stage cancer, and do not hesitate to go to a doctor if you have a problem. Please be careful when you have persistent cough, weight loss, altered bowel habits, persistent fever, if you notice abnormal lumps in your body which are increasing in size. Cancer doesn't have a specific symptom, it doesn't have a specific sign, and it can affect anybody. Nobody is free from cancer, but however, treatment is available for each and every type of cancer, and it is important to go to a doctor at the earliest for an early diagnosis. Thank you.